nightly unboxing video. Second time now. Such inconvenient timing. Do what you gotta do. This video is gonna be a little bit more of a mixed unboxing video. I've accumulated a lot of stuff over the course of several days, almost a week now. During the 4th of July extended weekend that I was over in New Jersey, so I wasn't able to make some of the other videos that are sitting on my computer right now. Eventually I will get around to those, and without further ado, let's get into this unboxing right now. Don't want to keep you here too long. First off, we're going to start with this one. This one's from Brazil. You guys are going to find out exactly where it is in a few. We got a package inside a package, so we got to do even more opening. To follow up on my previous video, which was a Brazilian Army camouflage uniform unboxing video, I bought a cap to go with it. Look at that. We got another patch. Still got to figure out what to do with this. So this is a Brazilian Army M1964 pattern camouflage. I've talked about it in my previous video. It is derived from the Portuguese lizard camo, which in turn was derived from the French lizard camo that was developed in the 50s. Some pretty vintage stuff we're looking at that is persistent to the modern day. I think this is a size large. Nothing too special, just to have. It kind of fits. It's a really weird fit. Like, it doesn't completely fit, but it does sit on my head, so I give it a 7 out of 10. I was hoping it'd be in a larger size. That's what I asked for, but what are you gonna do, right? You gotta work with what you have. It's kind of small. Is it meant to be small? I guess it's meant to be small, so not much I can do about that. So we're just gonna set that to the side. Kind of feels weird when it sits on my head. And it's like the German cap, but like it's a little bit more uncomfortable than that. It's kind of stiff, doesn't really fit on the head nicely. Still glad to have it. That is another set finished Brazilian Army set. Next thing we got is a t-shirt, or rather a shirt that I ordered online, and it's a special one. It is meant to make fun of a certain group of people out there. You guys are gonna find out pretty soon. We have a long sleeve. It's blue, and it says you wouldn't right click an NFT. So it's supposed to make fun of people who buy NFTs and say that they're unique and no one else can get them. And people like me with enough common sense can come along and be like, hey, right click, save, now I have your NFT. This is just me making fun of the NFT bros. Fun t-shirt, figured I had to have it. It's one of those quirky things. Why not, right? That's going to the side. Nothing too special yet. This last package is going to be really, really special. This is in a box, and it says, please handle with care. Fragile. What exactly could be in here that's so fragile, so significant, so cool? This company is called Carve Craftworks LLC. Now they do custom lamps, which is something that I've wanted for a while because I have this old lamp that I'm using right now. It's kind of tacky, not my style. I don't want to give the room a little bit more of a unique feel, something that represents me, and this lamp is just not doing it for me. So I found this website, Carve Craftworks. They do a lot of mostly like military based lamp. You guys will find out soon. We have the base right here. So this is the remote right here to turn the lamp on and off. Got the little card on the inside. Take a look at that real quick. Business card. It says Carve Craftworks on it. Got all their information in the back. You got the little remote control for the lamp. You got the wire right here for the lamp, and then you got the little base for the lamp. And then the rest of the lamp is supposed to be in here. There we go. That's what the lamp is supposed to look like. So it's supposed to be like, it's an optical illusion type of lamp. It's supposed to give it this sort of 3D look. So right now, this is sort of the glass, and it goes on a base. What we're gonna do is it goes on here, like so, and you just snap into place, I guess. If it'll fit, that'll be nice. There we go. I think that's it for the video. The rest of this is just gonna be me trying to set this up. We got our Brazilian Army cap. We got the meme t-shirt right here. And we got the optical illusion lamp, which I'm gonna figure out how to set up in a later time, but probably do it right now. But that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of all the stuff I've got today. I'll see you guys in the next one.